What's going on, guys? It's Dmitry here, and today I would like to discuss about another upcoming course that I'm planning to produce. So it's going to be about Kubernetes. I'm not sure, guys, if you ever heard about Kubernetes itself. Kubernetes essentially it's you can treat it as an environment for your infrastructure, or just like in general, like you can treat it as an infrastructure. It's assume you have your own application and it's like you already produce it and you would like to run it like it's in production environment, right? And essentially Kubernetes can provide a platform for this environment. For example, Kubernetes it's and it's well known, like it's treated as an so-called orchestration tool. Assume you have an application and it's running in a Docker environment, or it's running on the as a Docker container, right? So, and in order to be sure that if that like your application is going to run smoothly without any blackouts, so you would like to to make many copies of this application, assume, or many copies of this Docker container, right? So, and essentially like Kubernetes, it would allow you to do it automatically, right? For example, it's this tool would allow you to scale your application. Assume if many people is using your application or accessing your application, right, as a service. So in this case, probably it makes sense to to spin up many servers where your application is running, right? So in this case, Kubernetes as a platform, as a as a tool, would allow you to do it automatically. So it can scale it up if if it's really the traffic is huge, right? Or in case if the consumption itself is small, or like people not using your service too much, then it can kill some of the services, like a redundant one, if like we don't need like to utilize so many services, right, at the same time, or so many servers, so with your application running. And all this stuff Kubernetes would allow us to do. So that's why you already, I guess, can see like the Kubernetes can be really helpful in this case, in case of scalability. But then it's more to that. And I'm going to discuss about all these basics, from scratch, and to to upper levels in this course. So that's what it's all this course about. So it's about Kubernetes, and it's about understanding this tool, how to work with this tool, how to configure this tool. Yep. Okay, guys, thank you very much for listening, and I hope you really interested as I am in this course, and I'm going to create new videos or new tutorials related to this course as soon as possible. So just I'm going to keep you up to date, guys, and please subscribe, please like this video if you think that in the future it would be really helpful for you to watch this course, and give me any feedback if you would like me to produce any specific videos or tutorials related to this topic, to the topic of Kubernetes. Thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely day, and goodbye.